Known as the king of trails, this SUV is known for conquering terrains, forests, deserts and everything in between. With its exceptional off-road capability throughout the globe, the Jeep Wrangler is not just an icon or an SUV, but a benchmark in its segment. And today, this Wrangler right here has got much more than its stock setup, and that's why we have got this particular build for you guys today. Under the hood lies a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine that puts down 268 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque, and this power is put down using a 8-speed torque converter gearbox by using the Jeep's track system. This Rubicon ain't your regular Rubicon that is from the factory. This is equipped with a couple of modifications and a custom Stage-2 setup from Code 6, which includes a custom full system exhaust as well, and it has a quite nice bubbles that sounds very nice while driving when the valve is on. Take a look at the sound and then let's get into the rest of the modification. This Wrangler sits on a 35-inch tire from Radar, and it belongs to the Renegade series, which is common amongst all the off-road tires from Radar. And this is also having a custom alloy from Torque, a machined alloy specifically made for off-road, which is wrapped with this 35-inch Radar Renegade tires. You can see that this car is taller compared to other Rubicons out there. That's because it gets a custom lift kit which is around 2 inches. And if you ask me, do I prefer a lift kit or a complete coilover, I would any day tell a coilover, because that is going to keep your car stable and the comfort is also going to be enhanced. And looking at the other modifications, you can see a custom metal bumper at the front. It gives it, that aggressive stance, and this grille, the famous one for the Jeep Wrangler, a 7-slot Jeep Wrangler grille. That is not a modification, that is modification on a Thar. The Wrangler gets it on stock, and you can see the headlights are completely modded in this car. So the stock headlight unit is completely removed, and you can see an LP6 lights that has been added into the headlight slot, and there are other couple of lights because this car goes for regular off-roading during the night time. You can see a north side auxiliary lamp on the top, and then there is another aux beam light which is installed onto the lower arm of this car right here, and even there is an aux light on the metal bumper as well. Once you're inside the driving seat of the Jeep Wrangler, the view and the functionality shows that this is not at all a road car. It's specifically built for off-road. If you see, you don't have your the window buttons on any of the doors, because first thing is it's a removable door, and because of that, giving the buttons there doesn't make sense. And the main reason behind that is, you drag the car into some river crossing and scenarios like that, you don't spoil the electronics. So that's why the switches are given here. And if you see, it's completely the buttons here. So you can see the sway bar disconnect button, you can see the deflog buttons and whatnot. You can see a couple of buttons that is related to off-road and functionalities right here. And this is the older generation of Wrangler, and this doesn't get a touchscreen. Instead, you get the system that is being controlled using buttons completely here. Being specific, this doesn't have the Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay that the new car even got. So right now, let's see how this car is going to perform with the Stage-2 tune and the exhaust note as well on the drive. Also, a pull video 0 to 100 if possible. So you guys would have seen the pull right now. So along with the pull, some inputs I wanted to talk regarding the car was, after the tune, it's felt that the car is, you know, much more active compared to a stock car, because I have driven a stock car and, you know, the gearbox kind of make it sluggish due to, you know, the off-road nature of the car. But then that is well contained right now, and that aggressiveness is also seen once you step on the throttle. So that's what you saw, the pickup right there. And also, I don't know why I feel that after the tuning, the gearbox nature also I feel has been, you know, changed. I think it might be because of the power delivery, because even the shifting feels much more aggressive right now, even though it doesn't have a TCU tune or something like that. And talking about the lift kit and drive nature of the car, like I told you, I am not a fan of lift kits, but the car, you know, it's mounted pretty well. Because of that, I don't feel any, you know, heavy instability as such, because I have driven Wranglers which has a complete coilovers, and even then it has, you know, complete instability when you drive the car. That is, it keeps going left, right. You can't even judge where it keeps going half of the time. So compared to that, I think this car drives pretty well and good. And like I told, this is an off-road machine, so the actual people who buy this doesn't care whether it goes left, right or anything once you do all this kind of lift kit and things, because the fundamentals remain as fundamentals itself. Yeah, so that's it about, you know, the modified Stage 2 Jeep Wrangler from Coach 6. Hope you all liked this build right here, the Jeep Wrangler Stage 2 setup from Coach 6. And like I promised, I'll keep getting you builds like this. So do comment your thoughts in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel for such cool builds.